Before leaving for Brunei, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. reported that he instructed the Department of Social Welfare and Development, the Department of Agriculture, and the Department of Health to ensure that all aid and medical support reach the areas affected by Typhoon Agon.
Kaya tuluyan kong inatasan ang DSWD, ang DA, DOH para makapagbigay ng assistance sa lahat ng mga naging biktima ng Typhoon Agon.
According to President Marcos, more than 12,000 families from 5 regions were affected by the typhoon. Operations of 3 airports and 29 ports were also disrupted. PBBM stated that the government will immediately respond to repair the damaged infrastructure.
Kaya naman ang DPWH at saka ang DOTR ay kailangan susunod na dyan sa first responder para maayos na kaagad ang mga nasira na infrastructure.
The DSWD also sent aid to families affected by the typhoon. President Marcos assured that additional funds are available for typhoon-hit areas.
Ang DSWD ay nakapag-provide na ng 1.35 million pesos worth of assistance at merong naka-standby fund na 607.9 million na kung sakali man ay mga ngailangan tayo ay gagawin natin.
Nel Maribuho, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.